Hi everyone, in this video I am going to share about Unimech Aerospace and Manufacturing Limited IPO details. Welcome to MoneyGuide. Company was incorporated in 2016. It specializes in manufacturing and supply of critical parts such as aero tooling, ground support equipment, electromechanical subassemblies and other precision engineered components for aerospace, defense, energy and semiconductor industries. It possesses build-to-print capabilities wherein it manufactures products based on clients' designs and build-to-specification capabilities wherein the company assists clients in designing the products to be manufactured basis specifications. Their products were aero engine tooling, airframe tooling, precision parts, precision subsystems. The products includes engine lifting and balancing beams, assembly, disassembly of and calibration tooling, ground support equipment, airframe supply platforms, engine transportation stands, mechanical and electromechanical turnkey systems, and precision components. It is a key link in the global supply chain for global aerospace, defense, semiconductor, and energy OEMs, and their licenses for the supply of critical parts like aero tooling, support, ground support equipment, electromechanical subassemblies, and other precision engineered components. Its key clients include top global airframe and aero engine OEMs and their approved licenses. As on 31st March 2024, the company operates two manufacturing facilities in Bangalore, covering total area of 1,20,000 square feet. Unit 1 spans over 30,000 square feet, while Unit 2 is located in Special Economic Zone SEZ near Bangalore International Airport, covers over 90,000 square feet. These facilities are registered with ISO. As on March 31st, 2024, the company had 384 employees. The silent features of its products are complexity and high mix, low volume nature, characterized by high mix products which are not mass manufactured. It offers a wide range of products SKUs but produce relatively small quantities of each based on specific customer requirements. Its ability to efficiently manufacture even single unit of a particular SKU provides with the flexibility to optimize pricing and maintain high profit margins. Key performance indicator as on 31st March 2024. ROE 53.53%, ROCE 54.36%, debt per equity 0.32. PAT margin is 27.85. Price to book value 31.77. IPO opens date on Monday, December 23, 2024. IPO closes date is Thursday, December 26, 2024. Listing date is Tuesday, December 31st, 2024. Face value is rupees 5 per share. Lot size 19 share. Fresh issue 250 crores. Offer for sale 250 crores. Listing at both NSE and BSE. Their listed peer companies are Azad Engineering, Dynamic Techno, MTR Technologies, Data Pattern, and Paras Defense and Space. Again, it's a disclaimer. All information provided here is purely educational and information purpose. And the investor must consult a qualified financial advisor before taking any actual investment decision based on the information provided in this video. Investors should bear in mind that any investment in stock market is subject to unpredictable market related risks. Do you feel the information provided in this video is helpful? Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Keep learning, keep earning. Thank you.